Hey everyone, welcome to the first video recorded in a while. I don't really remember how to do this. I don't got that long to do this video, but what we are gonna do is unbox a new keyboard I bought today, and we're gonna set it up. As you can see, I have the old one disconnected. As you can see, this one was just a straight 10 keyless. It didn't sound the best, if I'm being honest, but I mean, I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it doesn't sound the greatest. So I'm just gonna sit down behind me for now. Or just sit down behind me for now. So went to GameStop and bought a new keyboard. If I can get my hand inside the bag, as you can see it's green, so obviously it's Razer. But it is. I'm gonna cover this. Boom! The Huntsman Mini. Not tournament edition though, sadly, but it still is a great keyboard, 60%. So I've already opened it, so I know what comes inside of it. So once I pull this tab, there is the cable, and then the keyboard itself, which I didn't even think about it not fitting with the wrist rest that I own from Razer, because I own a 10 keyless wrist rest. But ASMR sounds. This one, pretty sure it's gonna sound better. It's an optical keyboard, so it's gonna have better responses, better response time. So, and it just sounds better. Even big keys that have stabs on them sound better. The shift does have stabs. Spacebar obviously has stabs, and so does the enter key on this board, and the backspace. So yeah. So it does have two height options for the feet. I'm gonna choose the more upright option. How does this look with this looks stinky with the wrist rest, but it's alright. So now we're gonna unbox the cable, and the cable's long on this one. So does that come undone too? It does come undone. It's just gonna have to stretch. Does it come off? Do I just have to cut it? I didn't want to cut it because I kind of like the way this. I kind of like this rubber cable tie. I might just have to cut it. I don't know if I'll put scissors close enough though. Actually, there it is. We'll just cut it, I guess. Just cut the rubber cable tie off of it. Bunk. It's been cut. No turning back. So this is the USB-C. Wow, that's a thick USB-C header. But I guess it also has to deliver LED power and power for it has to deliver keyboard inputs, power, and it has to deliver LED power and controls. So where does it go? It goes on this end over here. It doesn't matter which way it goes in. Okay, cool. Thanks, Razer. Thank you, Razer, for giving options and flexibility. Now time to throw this behind the keyboard. Throw this behind it to feed behind the desk, and get it set up. I do own this cable. This cable's a lot longer than my other keyboard ones, so I will have extra cable, so that's fine. Give me a second to wrong wrong way. Maybe I had it the right way. Didn't have it lined up properly. Oh no, that's the right way. Oh, and I think it automatically detected through signal. Maybe. So let's see. Devices. Oh, it pops up. So let me look at layout. How's this layout? So it is literally just massive on it. So what if I just make it like freaking, oh wait, what if I just make it massive, like, okay, well I can't make it full massive, but we can go like that. That's fine. That is fine. So whoa, what is that? Oh, is that what I'm looking at? So if I go like oh wait, Mario, what's the Mario one? That's kind of cool. I think Destiny 2 will be like one of the on-screen effect ones. Okay. Don't really like that. Let's just go with American flag. The American flag looks pretty cool on this, I ain't gonna lie. But what I could, if I did it like that instead, if I did like that looks pretty cool. And my computer looks pretty cool with this too. Oh wait, I forgot to flip it. Oh yeah, so I made it full size. As you can see, I made it full size. But we could go with effects like the Rick and Morty one, and the Rick and Morty one looks pretty cool on it. I don't really have a way to show you unless I picked my camera up and brought it down here. But what's this, Sakura? No. The rainbow's a pretty classic one. This pastel one looks okay. Harry Potter one looks okay. The Fire and Ice one might look kind of cool. The Fire and Ice one does look pretty cool. But I think I'm gonna keep it as Ethereal Dream because I like that one the best on the inside of my computer. And now the wrist doesn't fit, but it's whatever. So last thing I want to talk about before I end this video is that I have been selected for a football all-star game. So there will be like 3 or 4 days when I can't, like, straight up can't do anything, stream or otherwise. I got a little plaque here that they got made for me. I don't even know if you can see it. Hold on. Oh, that's me. Look at this. Okay. The light on it's gonna look kind of weird, but it's whatever. If we do it like that, we can go like that actually. So I can hold it up. As you can see, you can see the lights. Brett Britton, 2023 ASCO All-Star Blue Team Offensive Tackle. I will be playing this game on the June 3rd, I think. That's when it is. But I have to check in like the 31st before. It's like May 31st or whatever before it. So there will be those 4 days for sure when I will not be able to do this, stream, make videos or anything. So yeah, there will be that kind of time frame when nothing happens. But if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like. It'd be very much appreciated. Keep on the lookout for streams. I'm gonna try to stream tomorrow night, maybe, probably. Wait, when will this go? This will go up on Monday, won't it? So the day this goes up, I will try to stream that night, and then I don't know when I will be able to stream after that. I'll stream when I can. Don't count on it though. right now is a very busy time, so I will try to stream as much as I can. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like and comment and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you know when I go live or post another video. But other than that, I will catch you guys in a little bit. Take it easy and peace out, everyone.